Every time you go online, you're stepping into a digital battlefield, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple. In just 60 seconds, you'll understand the basics of cybersecurity and why CIA has nothing to do with spies. Well, sort of. Let's talk CIA. No, not the secret agency. In cybersecurity, it stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means only the right people can see your info, like locking your diary. Integrity means no one can change your data without permission, like sealing an envelope. Availability means your data is there when you need it, like 24/7 Wi-Fi that actually works. Want a real-world example? The Equifax breach exposed data of over 147 million people. Hackers got in because of a missed update and an expired security certificate. The result? Massive confidentiality failed, but the data stayed accurate and online. In terms like malware, ransomware, and botnets. Think of them as digital villains trying to crash your party. So remember, cybersecurity isn't just for IT pros, it's for everyone. And now, you're already smarter than most. I'm one Minutide. I'm one bite at a time. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if there is a security term you want me to break down next.